this channel gets millions of views, and you can create videos like they do using a new AI platform that just got released. You can see they get millions of views, like 8 million views, 14 million views, 10 million views, 11 million views. This channel gets like a whole lot of views, and I've shown you in my previous video how to monetize with channels like this. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how you're going to create videos like this with a single prompt in like one click. You do not have to edit any video. You do not have to edit anything.
Makeover
You don't have to
customs
add
across different
effects.
empires. In ancient Egypt, eye makeup was the sexy as both men and women applied kohl around their eyes. A dark line would be extended from the corner of...
You can see they just make simple videos in the epic style in this medieval times. You can see they have long form videos as well. They just have four long form videos, and we'll be creating these kinds of video using a single prompt with a new AI. We are also going to create this style of video. You can see this is a channel that posts this stoic kind of relaxing videos about lessons and how you could live a better life. Now we're going to create these two styles of video using a new AI software or AI platform that you just have to go on the web to
What if I told you the key to
access.
unlocking your potential lies in ancient wisdom? Facing challenges with the calm resilience of a stoic. Picture yourself facing
I created this
obstacles and
video
emerging
using
stronger,
a single
more
prompt.
focused,
I did
and
not edit
unstoppable.
anything.
Don't let fear
Everything
hold
was
you
done
back.
from the voiceover
Start
to
your journey now.
the animation
Embrace
to
stoic
the
principles,
images to
conquer your
the
comfort zone,
captions
and
to the
transform your
music,
life.
background music. It was done
Ready
with
to
a single
begin?
prompt. I did not prompt for
Take the
anything. I
first
just
step
clicked.
today.
It is amazing how this platform would do generate a video like this easily with just a single prompt, and I'm going to show you how to do this right now. You can see this other video that I created in that same style,
Of the ancient world,
in the
imagine ruling
medieval
an
style.
empire stretching from Greece to India. Alexander the Great did it by age 30. Driven by relentless ambition, he united cultures and built cities, blending the East and West in an unprecedented empire. Feel inspired by greatness? Dive into the legend of Alexander and his empire. Discover the secrets of his success today.
Now, the way you want to go about creating videos like this is by going on this platform, Zebracat. Zebracat is an AI platform that lets you generate videos, faceless videos. If you're into faceless videos with a single prompt, you do not have to edit anything. You don't need CapCut or any video editor for this. They have an inbuilt editor, but you do not have to edit anything as the videos come out perfect, as you can see. Now, once you sign into Zebracat, you can just click on create video. And once you create them, you click there, it's going to ask you to choose from prompts or a link or a script that you've generated yourself. So if you want the AI to generate a prompt for you, you just click on this first one, prompt, and you just type in one line what you want, the kind of video you want to see. And I'll just type what I want here. A video about Alexander the Great and his empire. And you can select your aspect ratio from the normal, vertical, or horizontal, and then you can choose between the voices. They have a whole lot of voices, and you can just play any of them to preview them. I have selected the one I want, and I'll just click on AI visuals and click on character consistencies. Now you can choose the visual or the style of your video. I've selected cinematic, and I'm going to click on 30 seconds, and I'm going to change the background music to epic. And that's about it. I just click generate, and it will generate the script in like a few seconds, and then the video takes 2 minutes to generate, or less than 2 minutes. You're going to see right here. You can see it's generating the script. It will take a few seconds. It took like 5 seconds to generate the script. And if you like it, you can edit the script if you want. If you like what the AI has generated for you, you just click next and click on generate your video. Now, once you click on generate video, it's going to take about 2 minutes, sometimes less than 2 minutes, sometimes a minute to generate your video. And for this 30 seconds video, it hasn't it doesn't take any more than 2 minutes to generate. You can see it's generating this in real time, and I'm not skipping this. This is real time. I'm not skipping this in any way. I'm not increasing the speed. This is in real time. It's generating your video from a single prompt. This is amazing. This platform is absolutely insane. I have no idea why people are not talking about this platform, because this platform is like mind-boggling. The capabilities of this platform. You could do anything you want to do with this platform. You can see he just generated the video in less than 1 minute. Let's click play to play the video. You can see the high quality images. It adds animation effects as well, but you could
before
do.
turning 30. Alexander the Great did just that, leading vast armies and forging an empire that spanned 3 continents. His strategic genius and fearless leadership changed the course of history, uniting cultures, spreading knowledge, and creating a legacy that still inspires today. Want to learn from the greatest? Dive deep into Alexander's epic journey. Discover the secrets of empire building and timeless leadership. Start your adventure now.
You can see how insane this platform is. This took like less than 5 minutes to create from start to finish. Less than 5 minutes to create. You can export the video once you're done. For the free plan, you get to export in 720p, which is normal HD, not FHD, which is decent if you're posting on TikTok or Instagram or YouTube Shorts. And now we're just going to create the other style of video, which is the stoic kind of video that I showed you earlier. And I'm just going to do the same process. I'm just going to type the prompts for the kind of video I want. And so once I'm typing video about how to get out of your comfort zone in the stoic style. That's how simple it is to generate videos from this platform. You just type in a single prompt, one line. You do not have to get complicated with the prompting, and you just select your aspect ratio, choose the style of video you want, and that's about it. That's how simple it is to start creating videos using this platform. No one is talking about this platform, but this platform is amazing if you're into faceless videos, regardless of the niche, whatever niche you're into, whether it's anime, whether it's motivation, whatever it is. This is the best platform to start using now. And this is not a sponsored video. I just found this platform out today, and I just decided to make this video because I am overwhelmed with how amazing this platform is. So you just select your aspect ratio and choose the voice.
Happiness is not about having everything. It's about
Yeah, this Eric sounds great for the style of video, and you can choose from different video styles that you want. So I'm just going to click on this comic book style. That's what I want, but you can choose whatever style you want. I'm just going to use this comic book style. So I click on 30 seconds, and then I click on inspiring music. So it's give you that soothing, relaxation kind of music, background music that is kind of subtle and gives you a sense of peace, like you're meditating. So once it's done with the script, it took like 5 seconds or less. You just click on generate. If you can edit the script if you want. If you don't like the script, you can just do it manually and then click on generate. But for this sake of this tutorial, this script is perfect. You can see it's actually generating the video in real time. There's no skipping whatsoever. This is in real time. This is how fast this platform is. And these niches are like easy for you to monetize. I've gone over how you could monetize in this niche if you don't know how, I'll leave a few links in the description so you can watch my other videos that will show you how to
Are
monetize
you
these
stuck in the
spaces
same
easily.
routine? Imagine breaking free and finding true peace in the wisdom of Stoic principles. In the serene embrace of ancient forests and tranquil temples, discover how stepping out of your comfort zone can transform your life. Embrace the challenge, conquer fear, and unlock the strength within you. Your journey to a fulfilled life starts now. Explore the path of Stoicism today.
This is absolutely mind-blowing. You can see this took like 3 minutes to make with just one single prompt, and it gave me this amazing video. This platform is absolutely insane. Words can describe how amazing this platform is, and you can use it right now for free. This is completely free. They have a paid plan, but you could do all of this for free. With the free plan, you just get a single watermark that you can actually cover with your own watermark or with your own logo or whatever. This is amazing. You could edit the video. However, after the video has been exported, you can change the background music, you could change the transition or the motion effects, you could change the entire narration as well. You could do whatever you want with this script. It's not baked in, so you don't have to keep generating and generating. You could just go and edit each and every detail. You can edit the captions as well. This platform is mind-blowing, and you could start using this platform for free right now. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you did, please like and subscribe and share this video, and I'll leave a link in the description if you want to support the channel. If this video has helped you somehow, so you could just buy me a coffee. That's one way to help support the channel so I keep making videos like this. I'll leave the link in the description so you could just buy me a coffee or maybe a few cups of coffee, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.